What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we have a lot to go over in today's episode. And if you stick around to the very end, you're going to see who ended up on Who Threw It and Who Blew It. If you need any seats, steering wheels, stickers, t-shirts, make sure to check out NRG and Prismalab. NRG and Prismalab are longtime sponsors of the channel. They have safety equipment, the best seats around, harnesses, safety equipment, all that good stuff. Make sure to check them out. If you guys need to get your car aligned, make sure to check out Gyroline. Gyroline is a 3D printed tool with a lifetime licensed software that you could purchase, and you can do your alignment right inside your garage, at the track, or anywhere that you need to do your alignment. If you feel something's off, you can go ahead and check it as well. It does camber, tow, all that cool stuff. So make sure to check them out. And if you want to save some money, use my code WillPousant20. Let's get right into this week's episode of Slide Through News. Foothills Drift Club is going down this weekend at Hickory Motor Speedway. Make sure to check them out. It's $100 to drive. They're doing a social as well, so if you want to go out, hang out, meet some cool people, meet some new drivers, go get a ride along, go watch some drifting, this is the one to check out this weekend. I have most of the info right here on the TV screen for you guys, and they have this cool little video that they have on their page of their full schedule, so make sure to go give them a follow, check it out, and go have yourself some fun this weekend. Authentic Race Division is doing the drifting portion at Just Stance. This is a little motor festival that's going down in Kern County at Kern County Raceway. Make sure to go check it out. This raceway is going to be super sick because it's going to have some of the best drivers that are in California. I got my boy right here, Pac-Man, and I also have Hector Nunez heading out to go check it out as well. A lot of cool drivers at this event. Go get yourself a ride on an oval track. This is going to be one to remember, so go take the friends and family. They got $20 tickets as of right now, but it's limited time, so make sure to go spend the money sooner than later, so that way you could save on ticket pricing to go be a spectator. So make sure to go check it out this weekend at Kern Raceway. Team Sally Racing is hosting an event this weekend at Musselman Honda Circuit. It's going to be Dory Dolls, so make sure to go check it out. This is a ladies drift event out there. Go have yourself some fun. If you need any of the info, go ahead and go check out her page. I just have this flyer right here that she posted, and I just wanted to let you guys know about it. So go check it out, guys. It's going to go down May 21st. No Drift is going down this weekend, the 23rd and the 24th for Memorial Mayhem. So go check it out, guys. I'll have the link tagged down below so you go buy your driver pass. It's on No Drift on Instagram. They have the link right there in their bio. So make sure to go sign up ahead of time. Don't miss out on this one. It's going to be a great time. ND Drift is going down this weekend, the 22nd through the 24th. I don't have much info for you guys, so just head over to their Instagram, click that link, get all the details that you need. I'm just here to provide you with drift events to check out, and ND Drift is one of them. Club Loose is going down this weekend as well. I swear, Club Loose is doing events every weekend, whether it be at Raceway Park, New Jersey, or their other location, but it's going down New Jersey, Raceway Park, New Jersey. Go have yourself some fun. This is their East Coast Bash. Drift Pro All-Stars is going down this weekend. It's a Monday event, so if you're out in that area, make sure to go have yourself some fun. They call it Bank Holiday Monday, so make sure to go check it out if you're in the area. That's May 25th with Drift Pro All-Stars. Langley Drift Club is going down this weekend with US Drift. Make sure to go check it out, guys. Go have yourself a great time. They have great drift cars over there, so you could get some good footage if you're a spectator. Go buy your tickets. I'll have them tagged down below so you could do so. And go check it out, guys. Bring the friends and family. NCM Drift Days is going down this weekend as well. I'll have them tagged down below so you go get all the info. But this is another drift event to go check out. If you guys haven't heard of Clutch Kicker's 100,000 series, this is the one to go check out. It's going down at Mid-Pond. It's the 22nd through the 24th. This is some Pro-Am drifting at its finest. Go check it out, guys. It's going to be a great time. They usually have a live stream on their YouTube as well, so if you're not able to make it out there, go check their link in the YouTube. I'll have them tagged down below as well, so you go click that Instagram. I believe they have all the links right there for you guys as well. Go check it out, guys. It's Clutch Kickers going down for round 1. US Drift Circuit's going down May 23rd. It's going down at the South Florida Fairgrounds. Go have yourself some fun with the US Drift Circuit crew. I'll have them tagged down below, so you go click that link, buy your driver's pass or your spectator pass, and go get yourself a ride along this weekend. A lot of you guys follow Adam LZ. Well, this is his schedule right here if you want to go find him at the Slush Motorsports Festival, along with all these other drivers as well. This is going to be one of the best motorsports festivals to go check out. They got drifting, drag racing, car show, all the above. So go check it out, guys. Some of the best drifting will come from this event and a lot of cool media. So if you're not there, you're missing out. Go have yourself some fun this weekend with Slush Motorsports. Dreamers of Drift is going down this weekend for round 2 of their event series, so make sure to go check it out. Go have yourself some fun. I saw a lot of cool footage come from this event as well. So if you want to be a spectator, I believe it's $20. And if you want to drive, better go sign up ahead of time because it will sell out fast. And they're also doing free ride-alongs as well, as long as you're of age, and pretty much just make sure you have pants on, closed-toed shoes, and they usually provide helmets at these things. So if you don't have a helmet, I believe you could rent one, but don't believe everything I say. Go click that link, go sign up, go check out all the info on their page. Not a Car Girls Drift event is going down for her birthday this weekend, May 23rd. Some of the sponsors are my sponsors as well, NRG and Prisma Lab. So they're always supporting grassroots drifting, and this looks like it's going to be a cool birthday bash. I have the flyer right here for you guys, and I'll have her tagged down below. So you guys can go click that link, go sign up, and go have some fun for this birthday event. This week's episode of Who Threw It and Who Blew It, I have a few for you guys, but this one right here, Hardtune posted it. This guy's car died right on the Touge course, and no one flagged anyone down to stop, and this guy came up and just rear-ended this car and pretty much totaled his car. So safety is key at these events. Make sure you guys have flaggers at every blind spot, so that way if something happens, you can flag the cars down. Make sure they slow down in time. We're going to go ahead and watch this full screen, and I want to hear your thoughts on this. Make sure to comment down below. Formula Drift Atlanta just went down, and Von Gittin Jr. took first place, followed by James Dean second place and Odie in third place. Congratulations to the finishers at this event. We also have the Pro Spec standings as well. Corey Talaska took first place. Jason Webb also was on podium, and Dimitri Bruschi was on podium as well. Congratulations to all the podium finishers out at Atlanta. And it looked like a cool event. I watched the live stream, great time. I can't believe Von Gittin Jr.'s won so many times at this event. So make sure to give everyone a follow. So if you guys want to see pro drifting, this is the one to check out by Formula Drift. This week's driver of the week is going to be Samuel and his buddy. I'll have them both tagged down below so you guys could check out their Instagram. Make sure to give them a follow as well. They got some cool footage right here, so we're just going to go ahead and play it full screen. Thank you, Sam, for sending me the footage and wanting to be on the episode. I greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check it out. This guy ended up on Who Threw It and Who Blew It 2 times this time. He crashes into another car, and then he was leading Dustin Farrell, and he just could not keep his car sideways. I mean, I would have shut it down after that, but then he just caused a whole bunch of ruckus after that. Dustin, you should have shut it down and just straightened and gave him a lot of proximity before re-entering and trying to drift your lap. I know you wanted to just get the seat time in the practice and you're an aggressive driver, but I saw what happened, man, and I'm sorry that you bent your subframe and all that. Dustin, you know better, bro. But these guys ended up on Who Threw It and Who Blew It, unfortunately, at Atlanta for round 2 of Formula Drift. Let's go ahead and watch this full screen, and it's unfortunate.
Minutes on pace, down the hill, into that first outside zone. Big initiation from Boss, and that is...
That's going to do it for this week's episode of Slide Through News. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. We are getting so many episodes out of the way. Thank you guys for wanting to be drivers and media people on the page. I greatly appreciate it. I can't wait to see what Slide Through News has in store for the future. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I want to hear your thoughts on these crashes, the good driving, the bad driving, all that. So make sure to subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in this week of Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we'll see you guys next week.